importance. There has been a mass movement organized unitedly by various civil societies, literary organizations like Khasi Auto Society, and even the state government had taken a serious steps to make this recognized and include in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Well, may I take this opportunity to recite my poem written in my own mother tongue, known as Panar language, entitled Ichingmun Bakoi, meaning the clean mind when translated into English. So here goes the poem. Ichingmun Bakoi. Idurwachan Rai, Wabro Kam Kalukimai. Yiwong Noot Uthaunang Yaka, Wobia Pong Rai. Chedrong wa be wa krai wa em lom na sanrang. Hey jingman wa khoj wa lui wa thaba wa phalang. Ki khmat ki wa si chaka wa khmet wa pan hai. Uklam man tang chicken din le wa no wa karbe. Kat karu paya ha perthai wa em wa ran kat bo. Saben wa chong nya dur karu ha ka khet mo khor. Hey jingmodi wa si wa dab wa isoni bisni. Chạy chính một cái vật khối cái vật đăng bạch năng yếu sĩ nu mà yong là quá open mong bên tất cả và rõ cốt hệ chút nốt đòn hi bông nốt utia halor thaba. My dearest friends, ladies and gentlemen, may I briefly explain to you all about the substance of this Panar poem, Ichingmun Bakoi. This very poem talks about the shining beauty and the value of the so-called clean mind that is completely free of any evil thoughts like hatred, jealousy, corruption. A crystal, angelic or clean mind often attracts many eyes to look up at with genuine and best compliments. People with clean minds are no different from a spotless garment that encourages or dares no one to dirty the same. But rather on the reverse, it makes unclean minds more jealous of him, but still don't dare to damage its overall captivating and confident look that it sits in its own throne with pride and commanding authority. Kublai Shibon, Chihajarmo, Mitela, thank you, Jai Hind. Stay safe, stay blessed, have fun, and enjoy the entire festival. Thank you so much.